discover how your students are being successful on Newsela? Let's check out the Classroom Data Report. On the Newsela homepage, click Report and then Classroom Data. Then you can select from the filters at the top. You can choose a specific class to view, whether you want to see all activity or just the assigned activity, and you can select your date range. Scroll down to see a class overview. This will give you a quick snapshot of what level your class is reading at and how many articles they're reading. Further down the page, you'll see the Reading Activity Report. This is where you can view each student's average Lexile level, how many articles they viewed and how long they typically spend on an article, their average quiz score, and more. As you continue to scroll down, if you have a Newsela ELA subscription, you will see your reading skills data. This is how your students are tracking to the 11 reading skills that are tagged to each quiz. You can get a snapshot of how each student is progressing by clicking on their name. Here, you can see the articles that they've read, the text level they've read it at, their quiz score, and much more. Check out your Classroom Data Report today.